uMike Mkhwanazi waqalisa iphulo lakhe lokulima ngaphezu kophahla lwesakhiwo sakhe ngoMeyi kulo nyaka uphelileyo ngethuba kusamiswe ngxi intshukumo kweli.
For the past 20 years, I've been a theatre facilitator. In fact, 21 years. I've been a theatre facilitator, but due to the lockdown, so we couldn't do much of arts activities. Then the Outreach Foundation had to reassign me to the farm.
Nangone noqeqesho oluncinci, le ndlela yakhe yokutyala ebizwa nge-vertical farming ikwazile ukuba impumelelo.
So hydroponic system, it's a type of horticulture that you plant crops without using soil, of which in soil you find that there are some nutrients, but here we don't have soil. So we feed the plants with certain nutrients and they just grow. This is spring onion. It's 4 weeks old. So spring onion can take 6 weeks, then you can cut it.
Nanjengoko kunzima ukufumana umhlaba kwaye bebambalwa abantu abakwazi ukuthenga umhlaba wokulima, le ndlela yokulima iza nemveliso enkulu.
So we are taking the ground to the roof. You know, in Johannesburg we don't have much space, but the only way you can have space for farming, take the ground to the roof.
Lo mfama ubongoza nabanye abahlala kumbindi wedolophu kuba baqalise ukulima.
Start teaching the community so that they can also start their own small gardens on their rooftops or balcons. So it's very important that not always they have to buy from the market, but some things they can grow.
Epitoli omnye umfama uqalise iphulo lokutyala ngolhlobo kwindawo enkulu.
Vertical farming is about getting a maximum production out of controlled environment farming, and typically leafy products don't really use the volume in the greenhouse, and for that reason we sort of a way of how to maximize that.
uFrancois van der Merwe inxalenye yeqize lakhe indawo enkulu yokulima.
Every 2 rows is 1 crop or 1 tank, so that's a harvest for us. So we have a rolling production, rolling harvest through the month. So in here it grows for 21 days before we harvest, and then we clean the pipes and replant.
Basebenzisa inkqubo eyohlukileyo yokucoca amanzi nokunkcenkceshela izityalo.
Use these pipes to control the climate in the greenhouse. The water, the nutrient water which recirculates through this system is either heated or cooled, and with roughly 23 kilometers of these pipes in the greenhouse, it's a very efficient radiator, allowing us to keep a nice constant temperature in the greenhouse.
Nanjengoko elilizwe linengxaki yokunqongophala kwamanzi, kukho isidingo sokuba icandelo lezolimo lize neendlela ezintsha zokunyusa imveliso ngelixa lilondoloza indalo.